how can I take something like piano, which you were immediately fascinated in, you were drawn to, and apply that to an area where I am not drawn to? That seems to be the challenge. That's my challenge with work. There's numerous things I'm passionate about, but it's because I like those things, right? It's because those things I chose to do, where oftentimes we can't choose what our work looks like. How do we apply that?
Yeah.
So
let me give you an example of something I personally always have hated: to clean the condo or the apartment. Okay, I mean, it's so bad. And in my previous life before moving here, with my ex and our son, we had the deal that every Friday she takes my son Ramses to hockey practice, and I go back from work and I clean the apartment and I cook. Okay. And I just realized very soon into that I think it's so boring. And when I think that things are boring, my performance is so bad. It takes so long time and I don't do it well. So I just had to come up with, I need to do something, okay? And what I then did is something that is almost always an aphrodisiac to find excitement and to be immersed. I started to elaborate with time. Usually it took me like 2.5 hours, to clean, the apartment fairly well once a week, and then the cooking and all these things. Okay. And I said, no, I just want to spend an hour and a half on this. I want to spend an hour and a half on this. And I want to be able to cook while I clean. That represents, two interesting problems. First of all, okay, how on earth am I going to do this in an hour and a half? Okay. What do I start with? What do I do in which order, and so forth? Same thing. What can I actually cook that doesn't need to have oversight all the time? So all of a sudden, it's not about cleaning. It's not about, cooking. It's about solving a problem. Okay. And then I have the plan. And all of a sudden, I start to act on the plan. And then, it's not that I'm cleaning or cooking. It's following the plan that becomes the thing. Okay. And the thing is that after doing this a couple, like 3-4 Fridays, what happens? I start to get good at cleaning. Okay. And the thing is that we tend to like things that we are good at. So it becomes sort of a positive, positive sort of virtuous cycle of things here.
Yeah, that makes sense.